Hello, I'm Emily, and this is my poster on selective auditory attention in native and non-native listening. Listening to a particular talker is difficult when a background noise is present, and this is partly due to energetic masking, which is when the acoustic features of background noise and the target overlap. However, this can be reduced by spatially separating the target and background noise from the same location, co-located, to having one sound in each ear, dichotic. This improves listening accuracy, and this effect is spatial release from energetic masking. Improved intelligibility has been shown when spatial separation is as small as 10 or 15 degrees. However, energetic masking impacts a non-native language, L2, more than a native language, L1, so people struggle to listen to their L2 more than their L1 when there is background noise. But what we do not know is how spatial release from energetic masking impacts L1 versus L2 listening. So our research question is, does spatial release from energetic masking affect listening to L1 and L2 differently? And we investigated this within a group of bilingual participants in a bilingual listening environment when both languages are present and known to the listener. We hypothesized that listening accuracy will be poorer when listening to L2 compared to L1. Listening accuracy will be increased when listening to dichotic stimuli compared to co-located, and spatial separation and attended language will interact, so spatial release from energetic masking will benefit L2 more than L1, because L2 is more impacted by energetic masking than L1. We collected data from 100 Spanish-English bilinguals. They started learning Spanish from birth and English from childhood, and were very proficient in both languages, but more so in Spanish. They were all recruited from Prolific and tested on Gorilla. In each trial, participants heard a pair of semantically meaningful sentences, one in English and one in Spanish, one spoken by a male and the other by a female. Each sentence pair was either presented as co-located or dichotic, and participants were told which voice to attend before hearing the stimuli. Our dependent variable was listening accuracy, measured by the proportion of keywords correctly transcribed. The first independent variable was attended language, either L1 Spanish or L2 English, and the second independent variable was spatial separation, either dichotic or co-located. We used a generalized linear mixed effects model to analyze the data. We found that listening accuracy was poorer for L2 English than L1 Spanish. As you can see on the graph with the language on the x-axis, the L2 bars are lower than the L1 bars. Listening accuracy was better for dichotic than co-located stimuli. As you can see on the graph, the green dichotic bars are higher than the blue co-located bars. However, there is no statistically significant interaction between spatial separation and attended language. Overall, listening accuracy is poorer in L2 than L1, supporting previous literature. Spatial release from energetic masking benefits listening in both L1 and L2, as both were reported more accurately in a dichotic condition. However, our results did not support our third hypothesis, as we did not see evidence of an interaction between the two independent variables. This suggests that spatial release from energetic masking does not impact L1 and L2 differently, at least as measured in this experiment. However, this lack of interaction may be due to the near-ceiling performance when attending L1. So when listening to L1 or L2 in a bilingual listening environment, bilinguals can benefit from spatially separating the auditory inputs. Thank you for listening.